Hey everybody, James with Shelter Construction Services. I'm here with Miss Tamela. She's the homeowner here at this house. This actually was her mom's house. She's inherited the house now. And I'm going to let her tell you a little bit about our response to a warranty claim on the roof here.
So I'd seen that part of the shingles was missing at the bottom on the back side, and I called y'all on Tuesday, and before I could even get off the phone with you, I had someone else calling me about when they could come look at it.
Right.
The guy came and looked at it on Wednesday, and by Thursday y'all had it fixed.
Yeah, and that's kind of how we are. Whether it's a warranty claim or a callback, we want to make sure that you're taken care of in a timely manner. Now, obviously, this is a little slower time of the season. However, even in our busiest time, we try to make sure that we're getting back to you as quickly as we can because we just don't want to have damages to the house or any issues there. And Tamela, you said we're also not just did your mom's house, but who else's house did we do?
No, you started out, you did my brother-in-law's house, then you came and did my mom's house, and then you did my brother-in-law's son's, and after that I got you to come to my other house and you did the roof on that one too.
So this is not just the one house, this is 4 houses that are under our protection at Shelter Construction. So, you know, we look forward to taking care of clients like you, and you know, obviously referrals are a great thing, but you kept this one in the family. You didn't even send us to a friend. You said, hey, we need you guys to take care of this one and this one and this one. So, you know, we really appreciate the business, but we also wanted customers like yourself to know our response times, and you know, a lot of contractors, they won't call you back if you got an issue or you got to chase them down, and we're just not that company. We want to be a professional company that takes care of our clients for the long term. And you know, obviously we really don't want to have to see you in these type of situations, but when you need us, we want to make sure that we're there for you.
Well, and especially with bad weather coming,
yes,
I was very appreciative that you was quick on getting it taken care of.
And that's something that's always at the forefront of our minds too, is that, you know, we even, if we're having to do a re-roof, we'll actually put the re-roofs off and put the repairs ahead of the re-roofs, because we know how important it is to fix what we have right now that's got an issue, because it's already showing like a leak or something that's going on. So, but Ms. Tamela, thank you so much for your time. And guys, check us out, Shelter Construction Services at shelter911.com. We appreciate any phone calls or referrals. Give us a call. We'll be glad to come out and give you a quote on your next house, or if you got a repair, just give us a call. We'll be there.